Hi, I get asked time and time again how to use a landline phone. So first off, you pick up the receiver here, then you type in your number. Then you wait for it to dial the person, and then you start talking. Hi, how's it going? All right, I'll see you later. Then you hang up. Another way you could hang up is just pressing that down. That would hang up. And so you're able to talk that way. So this push button technology and this touch tone technology is different than the rotary phone, which took a lot longer. So just pressing numbers obviously is way faster than using ring as it came back. So this was an improvement, and it actually looks similar, to our phones today. And so that's the paradigm that we have when we use our cell phones today. So anyways, that's how you use a landline phone if you still got some out there. And as always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of amazing content, you know what you need to do. Subscribe and, of course, compute that. Yeah. So you just do it. It's like that.